Hello GO2 Bank users, ready to create your account and start managing your finances? Let's get you set up in just few minutes. Let's go. First, open your web browser and go to the go2bank.com. What's the first thing you do after creating a new bank account? Let me know in the comments. Tap on open an account and enter your email address to get started. Now, type in your first and last name, then enter your home address. Next, input your mobile number. You'll receive a verification code. Enter it and hit continue. Now, enter your date of birth and social security number, then tap continue. And that's it. Your GO2 Bank account is created and ready to use. Didn't get the verification code? Double check your number or request a resend. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.